Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the new and latest Huawei Nova 12S. So let's get started. So as you can see guys, I have here the blue Nova 12S. So I'm so excited to check this new device. It looks so premium here. Wow. So the material of the device or the finishing, it's so premium here. As you can see, the blue with like pearl finishing the backside. It looks so amazing. With the triple or only two cameras here in the back side. It's called Star Orbit camera ring design. On the right side here we have the power button and volume rocker, and also we have in the top here the one mic, and this is a speaker I believe, and down here we have one more speaker and type C for the charging, and the SIM tray which it takes two SIM, it's dual SIM, and one more mic. On the left side here there is nothing at all. And the front we have the 60 megapixel front camera. So first of all, the phone feels so premium guys. It comes only with 6.88 mm, which is the thickness. It's very slim, and it's almost 168 grams, so it's very lightweight, and also in the hands feels so premium with this amazing blue color with the dual flash in the back camera. And the camera in the back side here comes with 50 megapixel the main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And the camera here guys, it comes with sensor of RYYB, and this sensor really gives amazing shot. I have tried before and I really like the camera quality in these phones. So let's put it up. And if you'll be talking about the screen here, it comes with 6.7 inch, and it comes with the OLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and full HD plus resolution. So as you can see guys, the colors are so sharp and very true. I really like the screen resolution here. Even with the 4K videos, it gives an amazing experience. And as we mentioned that the Nova 12S comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, so you will also enjoy the gaming experience in this device. Plus, to be honest, the sound quality here is outstanding guys. With this dual speaker, it gives you an immersive experience of sound. I really like it. So the refresh rate will help you to have better gaming experience. With an amazing OLED screen, the colors will be very true and amazing as well.
There's trouble on the front lines. Let's go! The left controls movement, and the right controls your attacks. Follow me! You immortal! Cover me! Nice! Leon Pause Skill 2 deals area damage. Tap to learn it.
And if we'll be talking about the camera here, we have dual camera in the back side. The main camera which is 50 megapixel, and it comes with ultra vision camera, f1.9 aperture, and we have also the ultra wide angle camera which comes with 8 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. And the front camera here comes with 60 megapixel amazing portrait camera. I tried, it really gives an amazing picture. So let's try the camera in the back side. So the camera quality, guys, it gives amazing experience with full of details. There is no pixelation, there is nothing. Even if you zoom in, you can see the full details of the camera. And the Nova 12S comes with 4500 mAh battery with 66 watt super fast charging. So you can charge a battery from 0 up to 60% only in 15 minutes. And if we'll be talking about the software, the Nova 12S comes with the EMUI 14, and there is a trick or something new about this one. I have downloaded the YouTube, and as we know that Huawei is banned from the Google Play services, but here, once I download the YouTube, as we know, we need to download something called Gbox from the app gallery in order to have the Google apps working. But without downloading the Gbox, I just download YouTube and it works normally. Even you can sign into your account. Yes, there is something called Micro G, and it's pre-installed in the phone, but still it's something good. Like, unlike before, you need to download Gbox, then it will load for some time, but now you can download direct any Google apps from the app gallery and it will work directly without Gbox. So that's it for our video today, guys. If you have any question, you can just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. And if you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.